another dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find simple, easy and step-by-step dance tutorials. So, the other day I was looking around on YouTube trying to find what to do for my next tutorial, and yes, I know you guys have been requesting a lot of Fortnite dance tutorials and those will come, but I just thought I'd try something different once again. So I found this new awesome dance challenge on TikTok called the Baby Shark Dance Challenge that I want to show you today. So this dance is super easy. It's basically just the shoot dance, aka the hype dance, and then this part, whoop, ha, 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 and so on. So I'm just gonna start with the hype dance, and I actually already have a tutorial on how to do the shoot dance, aka the hype dance, but I'm just gonna show you again real quick. So to begin with, I would recommend leaning up here against the wall so that you can keep your balance while practicing without the jumps. Yeah, so I'm gonna do here, right leg, back, kick, back, kick, back, kick. Pretty simple, right? Your arm is gonna go back, hammer, back, hammer, back, hammer, back, hammer. Now, it's actually easier if you just do smaller movements, but that's up to you. So let's just do at the same time. We're gonna do here, back, here, back, here, back, here. Let's just try that. Yes, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, the other one is your arm is down here, and you say back, front, back, front, back, front. Yeah, so let's try to do 4 of those. So ha, 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 ha. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ha, and ha, and ha, and ha. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ha, and ha, and ha, and ha. Now let's try to do ha, 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 ha. Yeah? So let's go slow. Ha, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ha, 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 ha. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. And ha, 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 ha. One last time, faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. And ha, 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 ha. Now let's just try to do one of these with a jump. So we're gonna say prep, jump. Yeah, so let's just try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump. 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump. Yeah, so I'm prepping, jump, and jump, and jump. Let's try again. Just do one of those. 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump. Now let's practice jump, 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 jump. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, 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 jump. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, 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 jump. Faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, 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 jump. Now let's try to do it without the support. Yeah, so from here we're gonna do ta, 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 and with the jump of course. And it actually helps to lean a bit to the side so that you can keep your balance. Yeah, so instead of being in here, I'm leaning a bit to the side when I'm doing this. Yeah, so let's just try that. So it's 2 of these, then 2 here, and then 2 of these. Again, yeah, let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump, 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 jump. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump, 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 jump. Now you can actually do both arms here. Yeah, but I prefer just doing one arm. Whoop, 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 whoop. Now, moving on to the next part, super easy. Taking your left leg, going like that, crossing over, and then you want to bring it back, and you want to shoot your hip to the left. So you're going ha, now shoot to the left. Yeah, and you're also leaning a bit here to the right side, so lean here and shoot your hip out. So out with your left, back, tap, and tap. Now from here it's super easy, you just go to the other side with your hip, and then one last time to the left. Yeah, so let's just try that. We're going step, hip, hip, hip. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, hip, hip, hip. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, hip, hip, hip. Now, the arms, super simple. You just go either cross here, or here, or here. Yeah? So let's just do here. Then you want to go up. So it's ta, ta, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross, up, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross, ha. Now with the legs, you want to go cross. Yeah, so let's just try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, and cross. Now from cross, you want to go back. 1. Yeah, and then you just want to keep the arms up here. Let's just try that. So we're gonna go 1, ta, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, ta, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, ta. Now shoot your hip to the right and then back to the left again. So 1, ta, 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 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, ta, 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 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, ta, ta, ta. And then you just want to repeat the same thing to the other side. So we did here to the left, 1, ta, ta. Now we want to do it to the right. So taking my right leg up, hip, hip, hip. Yeah, so it's here, ta, 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 and here, ta, ta, ta. The counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, now let's try to do the whole thing. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and on 7, 8, we're gonna go prep, prep for the next part, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? So again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now if you want, you can continue on that one. Yeah, so you're just repeating it to the other side. Or you can try to do some other cool stuff. For example, I saw a girl who did this. Wa, ta, wa, ta, 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 wa, ta, wa, ta, ta, ta. Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial of how to do the Baby Shark Dance Challenge on TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.